Okay, Freedom is chopping off the tops of the potato plants. We're going to open one because it looks like it's dead. Let's see if we get any potatoes.
Alright, so as you can see, we got a pretty juicy looking potato up in here. Look at that. Look at that joker. Look at that joker. Alright, let's see what else we got though. Got some little baby ones, you know, they babies, so it don't matter that much. Ooh, look at that. Look at that one. Oh, as she said, it's pretty good, pretty good. See Wendell over here? Was it back in middle school or was it senior year?
Alright, that's the seed potato.
Alright, that's a seed potato. As you can see, it's all wrinkly, dried up, old man. But you know, it's all good, it's all good. So you got another baby potato. Oh, look at that one right there. Oh, what a beauty, what a beauty. Anything else in there? Anything else? Oh, she's screwing. Oh. Another seed potato, wrinkly and nasty. We don't want that.
Really pretty. There's another one.
Another one, pretty nasty. A pretty good new one that you can eat. Make some French fries up in here. You know what I'm saying? Was it back in middle school or was it senior year? Oh, as you see, some more potatoes. A lot of them are pretty tiny, pretty babyish. Another seed potato. Oh, it's a baby potato in there. As you can see.
Well, you get the baby potato.
She's throwing more dirt on top of me while I'm trying to get these little potatoes that she's forgetting. Alright.
Look at that little one, ain't it?
Oh, look at that little one. Probably go feed that the king or something. I don't know how a potato supposed to be cute, but okay.
It's cute. Isn't it cute?
Just a potato. It's gonna get ate probably. Oh, look, a potato right there. Another potato, as you can see, potatoes. But we didn't get down deep in there yet and find the good ones. Hopefully some good ones in there, because these baby ones, not promising, not promising.
It didn't have enough dirt, I don't think, maybe. That's right. I'm gonna put this dirt up there.
Oh, that was a pretty okay one. Close up in action with the dirt, as you can see.
I think that's it.
She says she thinks this is it. Well, you never know.
I think that's it.
So she thinks that's it. Alright, y'all. Peace out, you know, man. Freedom's the best. Yeah, you know. Lindell. Oh, Lindell said he loves y'all, bro. Yeah. Telling the truth. Was it back in middle school or was it senior year? What?
You can take this and dump this on the ones that look like they still good, but they don't have a lot of dirt in them. So go sprinkle it on the other potatoes that's still going. Lindell!
As you can see, she is calling Lindell. See Lindell back into the show, back into the show. Oh, we got a surprise.
Thank you.
Oh, we got a surprise.